$7,000 plus today, tomorrow, for life. Well, by this time tomorrow, 21 brand new people will have received over $7,250 into their own private bank account. Would you like to be one of them? I'm guessing you'll have answered yes to that question. Okay, let me ask you another simple question. If I gave you $600 just for watching this short video, would you keep watching in order to claim your $600 cash? Again, I'm guessing you probably would. Well, that is exactly what I'm going to do. In fact, by the end of this presentation, $600 cash will seem like small change, as you'll be well on your way to a new life and financial freedom. Each member earns over $600 every hour, and that's right from the start. In an average month, each one of our members earns around $210,000 per month every month for life. Sounds good, doesn't it? Well, my message is very simple. You're about 3 minutes away from making this a reality. Hello, and welcome to London, the financial capital of the world. My name is John Lucrosa, and right up there was where I used to work. Up until 4 years ago, I was a fund manager working in the City of London, right here in Canary Wharf. My clients range from large blue chip corporations to very rich individuals, all of whom trusted me with their money, and with my knowledge, I made them even richer. And for many years, I did just that. My principles are simple. 1, respect is earned. 2, trust and honesty is gained. And 3, loyalty is returned. Well, fast forward a short time, and now I show ordinary people just like yourself how to make money online from taking advantage of the world's trading markets for themselves. And I change people's lives for the better because of this. Now, I'm not one of these publicity-seeking financial gurus, although I have received excellent reviews in Forbes magazine, the Financial Times, and the Wall Street Journal. I'd rather stay out of the limelight and let my results speak for themselves. The Millionaire COPYBOT is a small group that I formed of ordinary people who work from home making millions of dollars each year. We make a lot of money, and in a few moments, I'm going to give you the opportunity to become part of our inner circle of friends, to become part of something very special. In an average year, each one of our members makes over $2.5 million per year in profit. The methods I use are very easy to follow, even if you're a complete newbie. Imagine what a difference a $2.5 million income would make to your life and to the people around you. Firstly, you can clear any debts, credit cards, and even pay off your mortgage. And then, a new